In this video, I'll share with you 7 important rules that I personally follow for my stock investments. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. Every month, I post videos on my channel sharing with you which stocks I'm investing in and why. So without any further ado, let's go over my 7 investing rules one by one. Rule number 1, diversification. I never put all my eggs in one basket or all my money into just one stock. Investing in just one stock is risky. If that company goes bankrupt, so does my entire investment. Instead, I spread my investment across different stocks and industries. For example, investing in Amazon, Nvidia, and Microsoft is a good start for diversification because all of them are different companies. But it's still not a perfect diversification because all 3 of them are tech companies and their stock prices will depend on how well the tech industry is performing. And to truly diversify, I make sure to invest across different sectors including tech, real estate, medical, finance, transportation, and consumer goods. Rule number 2, understand my investments. Before I put my money into any stock, I have to make sure that I understand what I'm getting into. To do that, I dive deep into researching the company's business model, its financial health, and the overall industry that it operates in. I also look at the company's earnings reports, market trends, and management teams. I want to understand what drives the company's success and what risks it faces, as it can all affect the stock prices. And this way, I'm making informed decisions and not just taking a gamble. Rule number 3, timing the market. Many people try to time the market perfectly. They wait for when the stock price will go down to a certain specific point for them to buy it. But it's impossible to time the market perfectly and often results in lost opportunities. I've learned that trying to predict the market highs and lows is more luck than skill. So instead, I focus on making well-researched investments that have opportunity to grow over the long term. And I don't worry about potentially saving a few cents and waiting when the stock price becomes lower if I'm confident in its long-term potential. Rule number 4, long-term perspective. The stock market can be quite volatile. That means that over the short term, the price of the stock can fluctuate by a lot by going up and down. But I approach my investments as a long-term investor rather than a day trader. I don't really care about the stock price going up or down over the short term as long as it increases over the long term. I have found that focusing on the long-term growth usually results in less stress and higher returns. Rule number 5, have clear goals. Investing without clear goals can lead to inconsistent and impulsive decisions. I always set specific and measurable goals for my investments. For example, I gave myself a goal to invest $2,000 each month, out of which $1,000 of it will go to undervalued stocks and another $1,000 will go to dividend stocks. And to make sure that I stay consistent with that goal myself, I actually post videos on my channel each month telling you which stocks I'm investing in. This strategy helps me stay on track and ensure that my investments align with my long-term financial goals. Rule number 6, stay informed. The stock market is constantly changing, and staying uninformed can result in missed opportunities and unexpected losses. I make it a point to follow market news to understand the financial and political trends that could affect the stock prices. This way, I can make better decisions on buying, holding, or selling my investments in a more timely manner. And rule number 7, invest what I can afford. I always make sure that I'm investing what I can afford without really impacting my financial stability. I never take loans from banks or people to make my investments. All the money that I invest is my personal money. Investing in stocks is risky, and I would never want to invest someone else's money and then owe to them as a result. This rule helps me maintain peace of mind and avoid making desperate decisions under pressure. So these were 7 important rules that I personally follow for my investments. Let me know in the comments what investing rules you have for yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.